new office, obviously. We've moved premises from the last time we were on the show, just cutting costs a little bit and ensuring that the money goes into keeping the public safe rather than, you know, your exterior beautification, if you will.
Meanwhile, the Speedo Cop's new crime-fighting boat is no longer restricted just to the land. Scott's new boat masters enables him to take the boat on the water as well.
Yeah, it is good. No, it is good to have the boat as well as another resource, I suppose, another tool that we can use for fighting crime, extend our jurisdiction to a degree. Not all crime happens in the city. A lot happens out here in the water, so we're able now to tackle that kind of crime as well and sort of really broaden our crime-fighting abilities, I suppose.
And to be everywhere.
Yeah, to be everywhere. Yeah, obviously we couldn't do that because, you know, we're out here, so we just we're out here in the water, but it's a waiting game, really.
Obviously, the boys are looking to expand their jurisdiction, expand the areas that they can police. Just because you're on dry land, or indeed if you're on water, doesn't mean you don't commit crime.